Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. No competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Keep running circles around these snail, hoe. And my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe. Get low where you been at, man.
Got real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no leg on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks.
What's good, loves? Welcome back to the channel. I am back with another wig review. So if you are new, welcome to the channel, and make sure you click that subscribe button and that bell. That way you're notified whenever I post hot videos such as this. Now let's get into the hair details. So the wig that I will be reviewing in this video is from Lavy hair, or Lavy hair, but I think it's pronounced as Lavy. This is their glueless wear and go straight hair, and she is 200% density. She comes pre-bleached. She has HD lace, and if you don't want a 13x4, 13x6 type of frontal, they do come in a closure size, which is like a 5x5 or a 4x4. You do get 4 combs inside the wig, including an adjustable band. Now, I ordered my wig cap in a size large, but I feel like maybe I should have went with medium. Usually I do order my wig caps in a size large, but their wigs are very roomy, so if you're wondering if this is big head friendly, absolutely, girl. You can stick 2 heads in their wig caps. They give you so much room. So I'm getting ready to style the wig, and I'm gonna just do something simple like a deep side part and something straight. I will be right back with my final thoughts and commentary on this segment, so stay tuned for that. And if you're wondering what wig I am wearing in this video, I will be sure to have the link down in the description below.
You bitches better not keep me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players. My folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch. When I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet. I'm the hood, bitches motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get them glow. Them bitches fraudulent. You know you the truth. Get them glow. Stop overthinking. These hoes can't fuck with you. Get them glow. Standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Two-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. No competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Keep running circles around these snail, hoe. And my shit bumping up in the jail, hoe.
Small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Winn-Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread. I still got powerhouses coming through on mopeds. I'ma still run that check up like I got 4 legs. Give me any drug, I'ma get it off. I'ma slap on these fuck niggas every time they piss noise. Bitch, I'm tryna score, I ain't got no time to punt. I'm filling up my slap wood with Obama rights. Bitch throw me the alley hoop, yeah. Bitch threw me the alley hoop, I fucked around the jump. Got the small talk, I like cash talk. Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Winn-Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
This real ice, I don't need a flash for this shit. For this cash, got a bad bitch that'll do a trick. Designer down, I ain't take the tag off this shit. They ask me why, cause bitch, I paid a bag for this shit. I'm that type of nigga, get a rap check, go buy a brick. I'm the type of nigga, catch you hatin', I'ma slide your bitch. You with this shit, oh yeah, I ain't pick what side you with. Bad still coming in, all kind of shit. Foreign car driver, pull up all kind of whips. Trap nigga fashion, put on all kind of drip. Pat do gymnastics, nigga, I'ma make it flip. All these blue honeys on me, got them thinking I'm a crib. Long live nip, all I know is hustle. Real street nigga, got this shit up off the muscle. All this jury on, I ain't got no time to tussle. Looking like a breed, jumping out that motherfucker.
Lady diamonds hitting, turn the flash off. I'm like Winn-Dixie, I get bags off. Baby got a pretty face, slim waist, ass off. I'ma get my own sack, bitch. I never had the bag. I ain't taking shit back, bitch. I said what I said. I was down bad, and they left your boy for dead. She say, girl, that fat nigga keep a loaf of bread.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now, child, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now, child, child. Yeah, she making that shake, breaking that back till her back break. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child. She don't want how much, she want Amex and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no one ever present mine. Took a month to make it to my lobby, it can't be prime. Turn policy, she can't be mine. Nah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying for shit. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I made my mind. It is always trials and tribulations. Child, child, child.
Real hot girl shit.
Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my dog, he gon'
So here's the finished look, and this is some great quality hair, child. This wig is full and thick from root on down. I love the full density in the wig, and you know me, child, I love me some full hair. I don't like nothing skimpy, and this right here is just giving nothing but Pocahontas. For the more shipping and handling, I did receive my wig, I'll say about 5 to 7 days, so you do get your wig within a week. The wig is easy to install, and she's definitely beginner friendly, but the wig already comes pre-cut, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. All I had to do was just style the hair to my liking, and I basically just sprayed a little bit of my adhesive spray just to keep the wig down. I didn't want to glue her. She feels very secure, very snug, and I absolutely love this wig. The only con is I feel like I got the cap size too big, but that was my fault. But thank God for the elastic band, because that's the only thing that's saving it right now. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and until next time, bye.
You know why these bitches love me? Why? Cause baby don't give a fuck. What you do? I be fixing the weed while she sucking my dick, pull it out, then I titty fuck. I fuck her from the back and she nasty, killing her. No, I give it up. I be cool on the bitch, ain't no pressure. Till I met this little freak, her name Maggie. This little thing is style. Look how she walk, look how she talk, she sexy. I like when they pretty.